More Americans than ever are packing their bags, not for vacation, but for a new life abroad. Whether it's the rising cost of living, political tension, or just craving adventure, millions are asking, what if I moved permanently? In recent years, a mix of remote work, post-pandemic soul-searching, and economic uncertainty has pushed more Americans to explore life outside the United States. In 2024 alone, Google searches for how to move abroad hit record highs. But here's the catch. Not every country rolls out the red carpet. Some bury you in paperwork. Others require you to marry a citizen, buy property, or prove high income. But a few, just a few, offer Americans relatively easy paths to start a new life. Portugal is hands down one of the most welcoming countries for Americans. The D7 Visa is designed for people with passive income. Think retirement, investments, or remote work. The income threshold around 870 euros per month. That's about $1,000 US. Or go for the new digital Nomad visa if you're working remotely. After 5 years, you can even apply for Portuguese citizenship. Portugal gives you Euro life without the crazy cost of Paris or London. Just a short flight from the United States, Mexico offers a temporary resident visa for those earning around $2,500 a month or who can prove savings of around $43,000. You can stay up to 4 years, enjoy the low cost of living, and never be too far from home. Cities like Merida and Oaxaca are huge expat hubs. Pura Vida isn't just a saying, it's kind of a way of life here. Costa Rica's Pensionado visa is for retirees with a $1,000 per month pension. But even if you're not retired, the Rentista visa lets you stay if you deposit $60,000 in a Costa Rican bank. It's honestly one of the easiest places to live stress-free, especially if you love nature and wellness. If you dream of a Mediterranean lifestyle, Spain really makes it doable. The non-lucrative visa allows you to stay if you can support yourself financially. For remote workers, the new digital Nomad visa means you can live in cities like Valencia or Seville while working US hours and sipping sangria after. Panama has two big visa options, the Friendly Nations visa and the Pensionado visa. If you're from the US, you qualify for Friendly Nations. Just open a bank account, show some income or investment, and boom, you're in. Plus, Panama uses the US dollar, making life very easy financially. So, want to live in Europe where English is widely spoken? Well, Malta is tiny but mighty. Its permanent residency program offers a stable base in the EU for those willing to invest in property or show assets. Honestly, it's a great hub for travel across Europe. And yeah, the beaches are unreal. So, Greece has jumped into the digital nomad game with a visa for those earning just over 3,500 euros per month. It's a pretty simple process with some huge payoffs. Just imagine ancient ruins, island hopping, and that laid-back Mediterranean rhythm. Honorable mentions go to countries like Ecuador, which offers a retirement visa with minimal income requirements, and Thailand, which continues to experiment with long-stay digital nomad and investment visas. Also, the country of Georgia, over by Russia, gives US citizens a 1-year visa-free stay instantly. Before you hop on that one-way flight, consider a few things. Healthcare. Does the country offer public healthcare, or will you need private insurance? Language. Are you okay learning Spanish or Portuguese, or would you prefer English-friendly spots? If you're dreaming of a fresh start, a simpler life, or just something new, there's a whole world out there that's ready to welcome you. And now, you know where to start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your dream destination. Are you an American considering a move abroad?